Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna show you the Alcatel One Touch Mini or Alcatel One Touch 708. Let's take a look. It was released in 2009. It has 2.4 inches resistive touchscreen display. At the bottom we found a mini USB port for charging or transfer data. At the left side we found the lock unlock button, also it's the turn on off button. A hole for quit the back case. At the top there is completely nothing, there you see. Hi. At the right side the volume buttons up and down, nothing much. At the back we found a 1.3 megapixel camera, very simply. Okay, now let's turn it on. So there we have the main screen. If we swipe down, we hide the menu. If we swipe left, we hide the widgets. Let's take a look which widgets it includes. It has calls and messages, weather, music, calendar, and our image. For example, I put the calendar. Okay. And now, with the menu, we have contacts, call center, messages, and main menu. Okay, as you can see, if we swipe right or left, there are cool notification colors down. So, at the first page we found a media center for our fields like music, images, other things, settings, calculator, alarm, Bluetooth. At the main page we found messages, calls, navigator, that phone works on 2G networks, calendar, notes, profiles. And at the last page we found the music, radio, camera and Java games. Also it has a weather application. It only includes one game, and Core called that it's like Simon says. Very poor game. There you have it. I don't like it. It works very poor, very bad. How to exit? If we press there, it doesn't do nothing. We have to press the power on off button one time. So please exit. Okay. You can install Java games. That cell phone has 5 megabytes of internal memory, and you can put micro SD cards up to 4 gigabytes. So now I'm gonna show you the ringtones. Let's go to the profiles. So that was all about the ringtones and notification tones from this Alcatel. Now I'm gonna show you the original wallpapers. So that was all. This last is from the network of the phone. And now at last I'm gonna show you the camera, how it works. Let's find it. Camera. You can take photos or videos. There is my example. .3 megapixel camera. Yeah. So I think that was all about that cell phone. I take a photo. You can save it or delete. Yeah. For example. Okay. Delete again. So that was all. Please like my video and subscribe for more stuff like this. See you soon in my next videos. Bye bye. Turn it off.